There's so many different jobs that you can do. I've worked on the oven, I can run a machine, drive forklift now, and I make as much now at the foundry as I did in 2 jobs, working less hours now than I did before. When I first started, I was very intimidated because this environment was foreign to me. I'd never had a physical labor job. I did desk job, customer service, and the longer I've been here, the more I want to learn. I never saw myself on a forklift, and I've been terrified for 3 years I've been here to get on it, and finally they just kind of gave me a little push, and now I think it's my favorite job. The people that I work with, the supervisor, they want you to learn more. They don't want you to be stuck in one place. They want you to learn as much as you possibly can. You can make the company better because you've been there from the ground up. The sky's the limit because they promote within. I could potentially have a team leader or a foreman spot in a number of years if that's something that I really put myself to. I am Waupaca Foundry because it gave me a great job in this community.